Hello, this is OCR Further Statistics. We're in Non-parametric tests 1 and the second video on the single sample sign test. Occasionally, it's a good idea to stop and work some things out for yourself, or review what's just been covered. Whenever you see this symbol, pause the video and follow the instructions before continuing to watch. If we are looking at a set of data, we might want to know if the median has changed. For example, we might know from historical data that the median used to be a particular value. With new data, we want to see if this has changed. This gives us a basis for a hypothesis test, where the null hypothesis is that the median hasn't changed from a previously known value, and the alternative hypothesis is that it has changed. Here's an example where we have a previously known median. We don't know anything else about the previous scores, except that we can see that they are not normally distributed. The sample of new results is very small, so we can't assume anything. We just have a suspicion that the scores have improved. Or is it just chance? The median used to be 15, so that is our null hypothesis. We think it might have increased, so this is our alternative hypothesis. Now we count how many values are above the supposed median of 15. There are 6 out of 9. This is the value of our random variable x. If the median hasn't changed, scores are equally likely to be above or below the median, as that is the middle value. We'd expect the data to be either side of the median, with a binomial distribution with parameters 9 and 0.5. So now we find out how likely it is to get a 6 or more above the median. Remember that this is called the p-value. 0.254 is over 10%, so we could easily get this result by chance without the median changing. So we reject the alternative hypothesis. And as always, we state the conclusion in context. There is insufficient evidence to conclude that the median score has increased. Pause the video while you check that you are happy with every step of this process. There is a potential problem with this method. What if some of the data is actually equal to the median? The short answer is you ignore it. But actually this situation and how you handle it is excluded from this specification, so you won't actually meet this problem at this level. That's the end of this video. In the next video, we'll look at a more powerful test, the Wilcoxon signed rank test.